In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign up for the Hostinger affiliate program step by step so you can get approved faster and start earning commissions as soon as possible. If you've been looking for a simple way to monetize your website, blog, social media, or audience, this is a great place to start. And before we jump in, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, open your browser and go to hostinger.com/affiliates. This is the official Hostinger affiliate page, and it's where the entire sign-up process begins. Once the page loads, look for the button that says Access Affiliate Platform and click it. This will take you into Hostinger's affiliate system, where you can either sign up for a new account or log in if you already have one. If you're a new user, choose the sign-up option and create your account using the details requested on screen. If you already have a Hostinger account, just log in with your existing credentials. After that, Hostinger will guide you into the affiliate application form. Now comes the important part, filling in your details. You'll usually be asked for information such as your website, traffic sources, promotional methods, or the platforms where you plan to share Hostinger links. Be honest and clear here, because this helps Hostinger understand how you plan to promote their services. If you have a blog, YouTube channel, email list, or social media page, include that information. If you're just starting out, explain your audience and how you intend to promote Hostinger in a professional way. Take your time with this section. A strong application is usually the one that shows you are a real creator or marketer with a genuine plan to drive traffic. If your website or channel already has relevant content about hosting, websites, or online business, mention that too. The more aligned your application is with Hostinger's audience, the better your chances of approval. Once you've completed all the required fields, review everything carefully before submitting. Make sure there are no spelling mistakes, broken links, or missing information. Then go ahead and click Submit Application. At this point, your application will be sent to Hostinger for review. After that, all you need to do is wait for approval. In some cases, approval may be quick, while in others, it may take a little longer depending on the details you provided and the current review process. If you don't hear back immediately, don't worry. Just keep an eye on your email and your affiliate dashboard for updates. Once you're approved, you'll be able to access your affiliate dashboard and generate your unique affiliate link. This is the link you'll use to promote Hostinger products and track your referrals. Every time someone signs up through your link, you can earn commission according to the program terms. From there, you can start sharing your affiliate link on your website, in tutorials, on social media, in blog posts, or anywhere else your audience is likely to find it useful. The key is to share it naturally and provide value, rather than just dropping links everywhere. If you explain how Hostinger can help people build websites, launch projects, or grow online, you'll usually get much better results. And that's it. You now know how to sign up for the Hostinger affiliate program from start to finish. It's a pretty straightforward process, but taking the time to fill out your application properly can make a big difference. If this video helped you out, please hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss another simple step-by-step tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.